In this quick Blender tutorial, I'll show you how to change the opacity or transparency of a reference image. This is super useful when you're tracing over images for modeling, drawing, or sculpting. Let's get started. First, press Shift+A in the viewport. Go to Image, then choose Reference. Now select the image you want to use. The image will appear in your scene and can be moved or scaled just like any other object. Click on the reference image to select it. When it's selected, look at the Object Data Properties panel on the right side. This panel has a small image icon. Inside the image settings, you'll see a slider called Opacity. Simply drag this slider left or right to control how transparent the reference image is. Lower values make the image more transparent, which helps when you're modeling directly on top of it. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly adjust the opacity of reference images in Blender. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blender tips.